Hey guys, Aaron here with you today for another Wilson Combat Drill of the Week, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Mozambique drill, also known as the failure drill. So let's break it down and take a close look at it. So the Mozambique drill is 2 shots to the chest, 1 shot to the head from the holster at 7 yards in 3 seconds or less. It's another great drill that works on accuracy, speed, and recoil control. So the first step of this drill is your draw. You need to get a good purchase on that handgun and come out of the holster as clean as you can and present that gun to the target. So once you come out of the holster and present to that target, you need to make sure that your grip is where it needs to be so you can control that recoil the best you can. So once you're punched out and you're on target and you acquire your dot or your iron sights, from there, it's a matter of when to go fast, when to slow it down a bit. So you can rip those 2 shots to the chest off pretty quick, but a lot of times you're gonna need to slow down a bit to get that shot in the head box.
All right, shooter ready? Yep. Stand by. To the chest, 1 to the head, broke the line, count that, 271.
So one thing that I like to do as I'm breaking those shots in the chest ring is to allow my recoil after that second shot to kind of help drift me up into that head box and break that shot as I'm moving through. All right guys, so putting everything together, you're coming out of the holster with a good clean draw, punching out to the target, acquiring those sights, breaking 2 shots to the chest, 1 to the head as quickly and accurately as possible.
Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Kind of a wide group here, but we're in the zone and we're under time. That shot's in where it needs to be. I'll take it. To the chest, 1 to the head. He's in at 2.65. He's under part time. Good shooting, man.
All right guys, so that's the breakdown of the Mozambique drill, also called the failure drill. Get out on the range, give it a try, and let us know how you do.